Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and I will be making some nice summery scrunchies today. This is a very easy project, something that you could learn very easy to make if you're just a new beginner. You could learn this. All you need is your fabric of choice, a sewing machine, a pair of scissors or a cutter, some needle and thread, and you're ready to go. I will be showing you how I did mine. I used the burrito method for this one, and I think there are other methods you could use as well, but I found that to be the easiest for me. I will be leaving all my measurements in the description box. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe if you're a returning subscriber. Thank you for coming back, and if you're new here, welcome to the club. Thank you.
Up my appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby, it's just twist your body and mine. Up my appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite.